John Kinyo. I am a student here at Zindua school. I have a background in graphic design, so I felt like it's high time in my life like I transition to something else because I've been doing this for so long. So one of the things that I considered was to enter into the software field. So I was in the market, like I was looking for so many kind of schools to apply for. So I think I just came upon Zindua. I don't know, from a friend. I think it's someone who recommended. And once I contacted them, I loved how the kind of feedback they had, the way they kuna vile tu wanarelate, you feel like these are people who care about you and they are concerned about like what you are doing. They ask about your background and everything. Yeah, so I joined, and it's been a journey. First of all, like una feel like once you get in, like once tuna baby projects, like unaanza sijui basics nini, they come and then they get you just to the deep end. So, and I love the kind of support here they have. Support in terms of like if you have a problem, they always check up on you. Those frequent meetings you have with your TM and the Saturday classes, they are very beneficial, because if you have a problem, maybe have an error in your code, they are always willing to help. They are always there. Some of them even go out of their way during their free time during the day, not only the specified time, but if there's a way you can talk to them, even at some there's a pangana time, and then they will be able to help even during those moments. So I would highly recommend Zindua to anybody who is trying to enter into the tech field. It's nice. You won't even realize like time imesonga, alafu once you are done, the things you'll be able to do at the end, at when you're like you'll be able to believe like what you've been able to accomplish in such a short time. So yes, I highly recommend Zindua.